MES College Marampally, e-learning.
Hi all, my name is Fatima Reem Salim and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Vocational Studies, MES College Marampally. Today we're going to take a look at one of the leadership styles in management. It is called as Tannenbaum and Schmidt's Continuum of Leadership. Let's take a look. Today we're going to take a look at one of the leadership approach used in management. It is called as Tannenbaum and Schmidt Continuum of Leadership. In this leadership continuum, they show us the different possible leadership behavior that is available to a manager and how the leadership styles can be placed in the different range of the continuum. So once you see the image, it will make better sense. So in this diagram, you can see the two extremes of the continuum. On the left side, it is manager-centered leadership, and on the right extreme, it is subordinate-centered leadership. Subordinate-centered means people-centered. And you can see the different variations of the leadership styles that is being used below. There is tell, sell, consult and join. So we'll see what is each one, okay? So on the left, manager-centered leadership, the manager will just tell the problem. The leader will identify the problem. He itself will make the decision and he'll announce it to the subordinates. The subordinates will have to implement it. So he does not give any opportunity or voice to the employees. It is just him telling them what to do. Moving slightly towards the right, you can see sell. Sell as manager still will make the decision, but he'll try to persuade them. He'll discuss it with the employees and then he'll try to convince them to make that decision. So it is a little more people-centered than the left extreme. Then moving on to the middle portion, that is consulting portion. Over there, the leader is identifying the problem, he is presenting it to the group, and he'll also listen to the advice and suggestion of the people before he makes a decision. So it is like a group process where both the leader as well as the employees sit together. The manager and the employees will sit together and then they will take a joint decision. Okay, so that is their consulting and making a decision. And finally, towards the end, you can see the red colored line going up. So that is extreme subordinate centered leadership. And over there, the technique is joining. Joining means the leader is defining the problem and he passes on the entire solving and the decision making to the group. So manager will be a part of it, but the complete freedom is given to the employees to take the decision. So it is very people-centered or subordinate-centered. So that is the entire description of this continuum of leadership. And we have 4 different styles of leadership coming from this continuum. That is tell, sell, consult and join. So in the next slide, I've given the description for each of the different styles and you can take a look at it. So this is the different styles that I have explained in the previous image. So you can take a look at each one. I've already told while I explain the image. So this is to make better sense for you all. So to conclude this whole leadership continuum, it is said that Tannenbaum and Schmidt says that successful leaders will know what behavior is most appropriate at a particular time. So depending on situation and depending upon the urgency or the importance of your task, you can change your style of leadership as well. So based on yourself, based on your employees or subordinates and organization and other environmental or external factors, you have to change your leadership style according to time and situation.